Meet Negros Tumoria, an artist redefining Greek music culture. Born in Athens to Ghanaian parents, he raps about identity, marginalization, and life between two worlds.
Η μουσική μου περιέχει δύο ταυτότητες, την ελληνική και την γανέζικη, παύλα αφρικάνικη. Είναι η γλώσσα, γιατί χρησιμοποιώ την ελληνική γλώσσα στα τραγούδια μου και την ίδια στιγμή είμαι και μαύρος, Αφρικανός, Αφροέλληνας.
Through his music, he takes a stand in a society that has often marginalized him. His sound fuses hip-hop with rebetiko, the music of Greek refugees from the 1920s that was shaped by poverty and exclusion. He calls it trabetiko.
Το ρεμπέτικο μου αρέσει γιατί είναι το hip-hop της εποχής. Έχει και κοινωνικά μηνύματα, έχει και τον πόνο, το καημό, δηλαδή το τραμπέτικο. Είναι ένας συνδυασμός του παλιού ελληνικού ήχου με το σήμερα. Τράμπα, που σημαίνει ανταλλάζω.
He's been popular in Greece for years. His first album came out in 2012, but not everyone is a fan. Far-right groups have attacked him for being too Greek. They even see his name, inspired by a legendary Greek freedom fighter, as a provocation, as well as his decision to wear the uniform of the Greek Presidential Guard on stage and in his videos. Despite the haters, Negros Tumoria continues to redefine what Greek music and Greek identity can be.